Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to you all in this my presentation. In the last class, I am explaining about the fundamental principles and simple stresses, right? So, today I am illustrating about the topic of load, right? It's my second lecture of the machine design. So here totally the machine design is very complicated. So here the student first acquaint himself with the fundamentals of design. So these elements can be considered collectively. So gradually it's drawn into picture of a design. Okay. So every student and every engineer will find himself constantly applying his knowledge of mechanism. So here mechanics, strength of materials and mathematics. This totally related to the machine design. So we have to calculate the load, means we have to take these subjects, right? So here let's start with the introduction of load. What is meant by load? Load means any external force to which a machine part is subjected is called a load, right? So this one not truly familiar with a load, it cannot proceed to design the machine part. The following information here, right? So here the load given in the following information. One is the magnitude of the load, and second one direction of the load, and the third one type of the load. So I explain about briefly these three parameters, right? Magnitude of the load means it is generally given in pounds. So direction of the load means it acquaints the designer with the internal molecular effect. So it is related to internal molecular effect, right? So types of stresses are set up within the link by the load, right? Here types of load. There are three types of load. One is the dead and steady load, and the second one leave or varying load, and the third one shock load, right? So I clearly explain these three types of load, right? What is meant by dead or steady load? A dead load is one that does not change in the size or magnitude, right? It does not change size or magnitude. Okay, that is, it remains constant, and the remains whatever the material, it's constant. So here a live load is one of that, it is continually changing, right? So the different types of machines, the different types of loads are applying on the workpiece and overall the machines, right? So here the load is suddenly applied or removed is known as shock load, right? Okay, these three types of loads are interrelated to the machine design, right? So here for the same magnitude a machine part must be progressively heavier in design. So we have to merge the knowledge of mechanism and mechanics and strength of materials and mathematics. We have to calculate the load. These types of parameters should be taken into consideration, right? Thank you for your kind attention. See you soon.